You don't need an expensive phone to create good quality video here on YouTube. Now, a lot of people are always telling YouTubers, be consistent, you need to be consistent, but nobody is actually telling you how to edit your videos to be of high quality. You see, our big creators, they know how to edit their videos very well. That is why you can see the moment they drop a video, that video will be going viral. Sometimes it's not about the video itself, it's about the way they edited the video. Everything about it is very sharp. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can edit your videos properly for it to become high quality video. All right, so come with me, let us dive into the tutorials. Let me show you guys how you can edit your videos like a pro. And if you're just coming across my video for the first time, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and turn up your notification bell so that whenever I drop a video like this, you will get notified that I've actually dropped a video. So let's dive into the tutorials. Let me show you guys. All right, let's go. So when you come to your phone, all you need to do is to click on your CapCut. When you click on your CapCut, it's actually going to open the CapCut interface. And what you need to do is to click on the plus sign to add the particular video that you want to edit properly. Now, when you click on the plus sign, it's actually going to bring you here. It will take you to your phone gallery. All right. Now, you would go and look for the particular video that you want to edit. Now, this is the video that I want to edit. Then you tap on the video, then you tap on add so that it can actually add. Now, the moment it has add, the first thing first, you want to work on your volume, because sometimes your volume makes your video to be attractive to people, because people want to listen to you and they'll be able to hear what you are saying. Now let us play this video and see the original volume of this video. Now watch it.
Don't need an expensive phone to create good quality video.
Now you can even see that there is also background noise on this particular video. So what you want to do is to activate the video. Once you activate the video by tapping on the video, it will bring you to this other interface where you will see your volume. What you want to do now is to click on the volume. Now once you click on the volume, make sure you increase it to 100. Increase it to 100.
Don't need,
then you will see noise. You will not see your noise your reduced noise. All you need to do is to tap on it. Then you click on the good sign. Now let's play the video and see the volume now, and if there is any background noise.
Don't need an expensive phone to create.
You can see the volume is now high and there is no background noise. So once you are done with it, this is the first thing you need to do the moment you are starting to edit your video. Then the next thing is to work on your color grading, because now you can see this particular video is kind of in dark. So you need to work on your color grading. Then how do you work on your color grading? You scroll again to where you are going to be seeing adjust. Then you tap on the adjust. Once you tap on adjust, it will bring you to this interface where you will see your color match, your color correction, and your brightness. So you want to start with your brightness first. Then when you click on the brightness, you can either increase the brightness or you reduce the brightness. But in this video, we are working on increasement of the brightness of your video. Now the moment you are increasing it, you will be watching your video, you will be watching your screen to see the appropriate one that you will like. Let's see, I'm increasing my own. You see, my own is getting lighter. So let's say I'm leaving it for 50. Yes, when you leave it on 50, then you come to contrast. You will also be increasing your contrast, or you reduce it any which way you want. Now let me say I'm using contrast 5. Then your saturation, you can reduce your saturation to -4. Then your brilliance, you can also increase your brilliance to, let me use 10. I think 10 is always okay. Now you come to your sharpening to make the video to be very sharp. You see, I always like to use 100 so that it can be very sharp. Then let us look at the quality of your video. You can see your reduce image, auto adjust, everything is all right. Then all you need to do is to click on the good sign. Now the moment you have clicked on your good sign, another thing you also need to understand is your caption. Always try to put captions on your video so that the moment somebody click to your video, they are going to be seeing your caption. Now how do you put in your caption? Now still on the fact that your video is still activated, all you need to do is to click on this particular arrow sign that you are seeing here. Once you tap on the arrow sign, it's going to bring you to these other icons where you need to also work on your video. Now we are going to be working with the text, because when you want to put your auto caption, you need your text. Then you tap on the text, then you click on add text. Now when you click on add text, it will appear like this. All you need to do is to click on this enter text, then you put in the title of your video or what you want your video to be. Now my video is how to edit your videos in 2026. Then you cannot type it, how to edit your videos in 2026. All right, now once you are done, you can either use your finger to adjust it. Let me say you want to adjust it to this part. All right, and if you also want to do more on this particular text, you want to like increase the font, you want to increase the size, you want to put effect, all you need to do is to click on the font. Now when you want to use all these templates, when you click on the font, it's actually going to be bringing different fonts, as in different styles that you will like. Let me use this block style. You see, look at the block style. So you can use any one that you like, just be tapping any one that you will like. But let me go with the block. I think the block is okay. Then when you want to use styles, you click on styles. You see, any styles that you want, you will just be tapping on it. Any styles that you want, you will just be typing on it. All right, so now there is also an effect. If you want it to be more attractive, if you want people to like it, just different, there are different effects. There are different effects. You can see they are all beautiful effects. So you just choose any one that you will like. You see, all of them are beautiful. All of them are beautiful. Every one of it are so beautiful. So you choose any which one that you will like. Now you also come to your animation. All right, how you want the video to actually appear. Do you just want it to be showing like this straight on your video, or you want it to come in with a style? Now let us use this in loud emphasis. Now let us click on it and see an expensive. You see, that's how it will appear. Now if you want to use the other one, this was cinematic, it's going to be appearing this way. It's going to be appearing this way. If you want to use this type, you click. You see, any which one you like. All right, then you click on the good sign. Now if you want this particular text to be to the end of the video, because if you play this video now, let's see where this text is actually going to stop. You don't need an expensive phone to create good quality. The auto captions, the captions ended in just this place that this arrow is. You see, so all you need to do, if you want it to get to the end of the video, all you need to do is to tap on the text and you drag it to the end of the video. You see, you can drag it to the end of the video so that it can be to the end of the video. Now another thing you also need to understand when posting your video, you need to work on your auto captions. Yes, your auto caption is when you are speaking, so what you are speaking will be showing on the screen. All right, for easy knowledge, because sometimes people might not listen to you fully if you don't have auto captions. So auto captions help your audience to also stay true to your video. So all you need to do is to click on your auto captions. Now you tap on the auto captions. Now it will bring you to this interface where you will see different templates of how you want your words to be showing. Now let us use this one. When you click on the one that you want, when you click on the one that you like, you need to click on generate so that it can generate the particular captions. Now the generating of the caption always stays till 100%, so you need to be patient. All right, so once you are patient and it has generated finish, it's actually going to be appearing on the screen. All right, it will appear on the screen. Just be patient. And if you have watched the video to this part, please do me well to subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed to the channel. If you have any other thing to ask, you can drop it on the comment section. Now let us see how the auto captions will be playing. Okay,
Don't need
an expensive phone
to create.
you can see it is white. All right, and if you don't want it to be white, all you need to do is to click on the style down here. You see your style, you tap on it. Once you tap on the style, it's actually going to bring you different things again, but we are going to be using styles. What's that? I mean animation. Yes, so you can use any one of these styles if you want it to be appearing this way.
Don't need
You see, let's play it and see.
an expensive phone
To create good quality video here on YouTube. Now a lot of people are always telling YouTubers be consistent, you need to be consistent, but nobody is actually telling you how to edit your videos to be of high quality. You see our big creators, they know how to edit. So once you are done with this, all you need to do is to go back. Now when you go back, there is another important thing you also need to understand when editing your video. Like for instance, when it comes to your stickers, because your sticker help people to actually know what you are talking about. Now on these stickers, there are different type of stickers. We have the pointer, we have your follow, we have different things. So I'll be taking you guys through one after the other. Then all you need to do is to click on the sticker. Now when you click on the sticker, you will see different type of stickers. You can see like and follow for more. You can see thanks for watching. You can see subscribe. You can see thanks for what. You can see different things. Now look at this one that is showing like something that is being covered. Like when you want to cover sensitive part of your video, you can use this one. All right, and all these stickers falls under auth. You can see your pointer when you want to put something, when you want people to actually see what you are talking to, what you are referring to. You can use your pointer. Let's say for instance, I'm actually trying to get your direction to what I am pointing at or what I'm talking about. All you need to do is to tap on the pointer. Once you tap on the pointer, it's actually going to appear on your screen. Then if you want to drag it to the direction where you want, it can the thing that you actually want people to listen to might be down or up. All you need to do is to use your finger to rotate it to any position that you want it. All right, so that is that for that. Okay, now so this is what you need to understand, because I cannot put everything on this particular video, so I'll be taking it one after the other. Now we also have text to audio, but I'll be teaching you guys that one on my next video because I cannot be doing everything here now. When you also want to overlay, like those of you that are into reaction videos, now you want to react to a video, you don't know how to react to a video. Now this is what you call as overlay. When you want to place video, like you want to narrate a video or a picture, all you need to do is to click on your overlay. When you tap on the overlay, it will bring you to this interface where you need to click on the plus sign to add the overlay. When you click on it, it will take you to your phone gallery. Now let's say for instance I want to talk about this particular video. Then you need to do is to click on the video, then you add it. Now when you add it, all you need to do is to use your finger to drag it to any position that you want it to be. All right, you drag it to any position that you want it to be, then you can start reacting to it. This is how to overlay. Or if you want to also overlay a picture, you will still follow the same method. You click on the overlay. Once you click on the overlay, then you need to go to the picture side and add your pictures. All right, then if you also want animation. Maybe you want to change your face, because sometimes people don't want people to actually see their faces. Then all you need to do is to auto activate your video. When you activate your video, you click on your effect. Now once you click on your effect, you can you see they have different type of effect. Look, this is video effect. Now when you click on the video effect, maybe you want the video to appear in some certain ways. Now let's assume I want the video to start this way. All you need to do is to click on it. Now when you click on it, it will be generating. Now once the generate finish, it's actually going to be applying to the video. All right, you can see
an expensive phone
to create
you see
good quality video
you see
here on YouTube. Now a lot of people are always telling YouTubers be consistent, you need to be consistent, but nobody is actually telling you.
Hope you guys saw the way the team is actually doing. So this is very nice. And if you don't want it, all you need to do, if you don't want this particular effect again, all you need to do is to click on this zero sign that is like a block. You tap on it and the effect will be removed from your video. So there are different type of video effects. Let me try this pop-up stack. Then when you click on your pop-up stack,
don't need
you see
an expensive phone to create good quality video here on YouTube.
You see
now
all these effects, all these effects actually make your video to go viral, because people will want to stick and watch that particular video because of how it is, how the thing is actually coming to their face, how it's showing on the screen. They will like it. Then you can see zoom and zoom. You can tap on it.
Don't need
you see
an expensive phone to create good quality video here on
you see
now a lot of people are always
any one of it that you like, the moment you have applied it, make sure you always click on the good sign, because if you do not click on the good sign, it's not actually going to be working. So you always click on the good sign so that it can actually apply there. But if you don't want it, you click on the zero sign again. Now this is body effects. Now this is also the body effect, how you want the video to be appearing. Now let us use the first one, which is butterfly dream. Now when you click on your butterfly dream, it's actually going to be loading. Once it load finish, it's going to apply to the video. Now let's look at it.
An expensive phone to create
you see
good quality
and if you don't want it again, you can also click on the none. There are different body styles. For those that always want to change their face, look at this embarrass. You can click on the embarrass to change your face. You see
an expensive phone to create good
and if you don't want it again, you click on the none so that you can go to the normal and stuff. There are different type. All you need to do is just to be clicking it one after the other and be applying it. Okay, it is very simple. It is very simple. Different type, so it's always very simple. So guys, for now I'm actually going to be stopping the video editing from here, but if you have any other question, you can also drop it on the comment section and I will answer you. Or I will make other videos in my next video so that you guys can know about video editings and the rest. I've talked about overlay, I've talked about adjust, filters. Now if you also want to use filters, you can click on the filters. You can click on filter, you can use any one. Let us use this spring and see how it's actually going to come out. Now look at the spring.
Don't need an expensive phone to create
the spring is kind of slow, so you click on your none to deactivate it. All right, so see you in my next video editing class. All right, because I cannot do everything. I don't want the video to be too long. Okay, so guys, help me to like this video, share this video, and also click on your subscribe button if you have not subscribed to my channel. All right, so bye bye. Then once you are done with your editing, all you need to do is to click on the export to export the video. You click on your export, it's actually going to be exporting. All right, and when it's exporting, it's actually going to be exporting from 0 to 100%. So you also need to be very patient as well again. All right, when it comes to video editing, you need to be calm. See, so